today we're working on replacing my fuel vapor hose on my 2IS 350. I just took it out. The only process that you have to do is remove your engine covers, your intake. I have the RR Racing intake, so that was easy to remove. I just removed that, and then I removed this hose. The reason why was because it was getting weathered and it started cracking from, as you can see right there. I just did a temporary fix, just taped it up real quick just to hold it in place until the new part came in. But yep, that was weathered down. It was sitting like this off of that tube right there to this, and basically it was just like this, that connected like this, pull out. Had the clamps, which I already replaced to the new one that's right here. I have those clamps back onto this. This should just pop right in, right into there. I was getting a code for it, and that's the reason why. It said it was either that or my fuel cap, and I got a new fuel cap. So I came and checked the hose for my fuel vapor, because I was reading on forums, people were saying that it could be weathered and cracked, and sure as hell it was cracked. So we're gonna get that replaced. Just got done, and here's the final results. Back into there, right there, this clip right here that holds these two hoses together, and it just sits right back on to, as you can see right there, autofocus right there. And I'm just gonna have to clamp right there back down. Should be good to go.